In this tutorial, we define and explore the properties of triangles using the Desmos geometry tools. Let's start by creating a closed figure. Start with a point, create a line segment. From the endpoint of that line segment, create another line segment. Continue adding line segments until you end up at the original point. This is a closed figure. In this case, a series of coplanar segments that start and end at the same point. A closed figure can also consist of curved sides. A triangle is a closed figure. A triangle has three sides made up of three line segments. See the three segments that make up this triangle? Each endpoint of the segment can be labeled. This is triangle ABC. Use the labels to define the sides of the triangles. Triangle ABC has sides AB, BC, and AC. Each of these sides is a line segment. A triangle consists of three angles. There are three angles: angle CAB, angle ABC, and angle CBA. So you can see how the endpoints of the segments define the sides and angles. The endpoints can also be used to label the sides and angles. Point A is the vertex of angle A. The side opposite A is side A. Point B is at the vertex of angle B. The side opposite B is side B. Point C is the vertex of angle C. The side opposite angle C is side C. Finally, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Let's explore triangles using the Desmos geometry tools. There are two ways to construct a triangle. Here's one way. From the geometry window, click on the segment tool. Click once to define one of the endpoints, move to another part of the screen and click again. Here is a segment that will be one of the sides of our triangle. Start the second segment at the endpoint of the first segment. Make sure the cursor is right over this endpoint. Click once and move to a different part of the screen. Click again to define the second point. You can see the triangle taking shape. In fact, the endpoints of the third side are already there. Click from one endpoint to another to define the third side. Click on the selection tool to select and move the points. Try to get your triangle to look like this. Label the points. Click on each point and select the label option. Try to get your triangle to look like this. Measure the angles. Click on the angle tool. Measure each angle by clicking on the 3 points that define the angle. You'll see the angle measures for all 3 angles. Add the 3 angles to verify that they add up to 180 degrees. Change the size and shape of the triangle. You'll see different angle measures, but they should add up to 180 degrees. Now let's look at the other way of constructing a triangle. Click on the polygon tool. Click once and move to a different point on the screen. Click again. Move to a third point. Click again. Finally, click on the original point. You should see a second triangle. Label the triangle and measure the angles. Manipulate this triangle to verify that the sum of the 3 angles is 180 degrees.